Hello viewers, today in this video I am gonna show you how to create a second Roblox account on 2026. Okay, let's start the video. First of all, go to your Roblox apps and follow my step by step. Now tap one more icon. Scroll down, now tap one logout and continue. Now tap one switch account and tap one add account. Now tap one create new account. Now enter your date of birth, then enter your username. Now tap one username. Now select your gender. Now tap one continue, and if you found this video helpful, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.